Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video, I'm excited. I'm so excited because it's a cream product, and obviously if you read the title, you know what I'm talking about. I'm going to talk about the new e.l.f. Electric Mood palette. It's a collaboration, I believe, with a few music artists, and you know what, I don't know the full story. I just know it's a collaboration because it says e.l.f. Electric Mood, and I've never heard of this person, but it's Pitizion? I don't know. If you know, let me know, comment down below. So obviously it's a cream like face quad, and that's what caught my attention. So we're gonna talk about that today. Timestamps will be down below. So yeah, let's just get started. Now, I've mentioned before that e.l.f., when they do make like cream products, they do a phenomenal job. I recently reviewed the Active Lip and Cheek palette, and it's amazing. Blew my mind. I was excited when I saw that they were gonna launch this one. So I haven't even opened it yet. I figured let's just do it together. Hang on. It's got like a... Oh man, I chipped my nail polish just now. All right. This one retailed, I think this was either $8 or $12. I don't remember off the top of my head. I got it off, I got it at Target, actually, like in person, which I was so excited. That whole thing was like fully stocked, so I was happy about that. All right, so this is what it looks like. This is the way you're supposed to hold it up. This is a highlighter, 2 blush, and I believe that's supposed to be a bronzer. It says De La Soul Cream Face Quad. I'm just reading the back. Yes, bronzer, rouge, and highlighter. A collection of highlighter. The highlighter is called Feeling Sparkly. Cream blush. Number 2 is called Tu. Number 3, La Diferente. And bronzer and golden hour, designed to give you that glass skin glow, the glass skin look of your dreams. These smooth and creamy formulas deliver a radiant, your skin but better finish that will leave you feeling like your absolute best e.l.f. I'm not getting that. Okay, you can use a brush, a sponge, or your finger. Sweep the products across the cheeks, nose, forehead, layer. Do whatever you want. Alright, so the first one, which is the highlighter, it's called Feeling Sparkly, Tu, La Diferente, and Golden Hour. I will swatch those for you here, and I will also swatch them up close. So let's see. Let's start off with the highlighter. That does feel nice and balmy. Ooh. You know what this looks like to me? This is like their, that new melon highlighter. It's exactly what it feels like. That's the highlighter right there. And this is, what is this one called? Tu, which is like the coral pink shade. It's like, it's kind of sheer, but definitely buildable. La Diferente. Oh, that's a pretty color. That's La Diferente. And then the bronze. Oh, that's a pretty bronze shade. That's what they look like. Like I said, I will cut into swatches up close. You know, let's cut into swatches, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna play. All right, so here I have the e.l.f. Electric Mood. I'm gonna swatch it for you. This is the highlighter. This is the first blush, the other blush, and the bronzer. Oops. That's what they look like. And you know what? I'm gonna swatch them here. That's the blush, highlighter, the other blush, the bronzer. They're really nicely pigmented and definitely buildable. Alright, you saw the swatches. Very pretty. I like the colors. I like the color scheme, like just the shades. And then I just checked really quick. These, I don't know if you can see that, but these two shades here. One of them is, this one is the watermelon highlighter that I reviewed recently, and then this is the highlighter that's in the quad. They're super similar. I would say, I feel like they're identical. This highlighter, the Jelly Pop Glow Stick, is definitely a little more like emollient, but this highlighter's super balmy. Alright, so I think we're going to start off with the bronzer first. I'm going to take my e.l.f. Putty Blush Brush. That is very pigmented. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to take that and I'm just going to start applying it to my cheek. Can you guys see that? That's actually showing up on my skin, which is really nice. Oh, that's so pretty. This is not like the putty bronzer, by the way. This is definitely more like, it doesn't have that like quick dry down like silica feeling. It's definitely more creamy. Put some on my forehead. Oh, let's show up on my forehead, which is nice because I do have a bit of a tan going on. That just like blends into the skin so nicely. I like that. Let me go down my nose. Seems like a bit goes a long way. Oh my god, I love this color. It's so beautiful. For the bronzer, so beautiful. I need to fix this part of my forehead and just kind of blend that back. Definitely feel sun-kissed and glowy. Super nice. Okay. The bronzer is beautiful, and on my skin tone it's actually showing up. I feel like it would work on somebody tan. If you're deep, rich skin tone, I don't know if it's going to show up, but it's definitely worth a try. So that's the bronzer. Let's try the... Of course, I'll do one blush on one side, the other blush on the other side. This like corally colored blush I'm going to do on this side. It's super pretty. It does show up. It's a really beautiful kind of pop of color. The creams are layering very, very beautifully on top of each other. Look at that. That's so, so pretty. And it's nice because I feel like I can definitely intensify the color, but it still looks natural. Like it just lays on nice. It blends out really beautiful. Next we're going to try this color, which is a deeper one. It's pretty. These are so easy to blend. Oh my goodness. Like you just kind of put it on. You almost can't like make a mistake. If you have a brush, I'm sorry, just kind of blend it on top. That's really pretty. Hold on. I just realized I used the same blush that I blended out the other one with. Oh. I go on top with my fingers. You can just kind of keep layering it, and the color does build up very nicely. time. And let me do the highlighter. The highlighter is very pretty. Alright, let me try to take you into natural light. We haven't done that in a while because it's been super like raining and everything, but I do want you to see this like in person closer kind of. So let's try to work this. Sorry. Okay, so it's like about to rain and it's dark, but I'm in front of the window and this is what my skin looks like. I do have a sweat mustache because it's hot. So see how it layers on really nice? It's not super heavy. I feel like you can still see my skin through it, but it's enough color to kind of like pop and look like pretty. So, okay. So you saw it up close. It definitely melts into the skin nicely. Like it wears like second skin, which I do really like a lot. And you can see I still have like the nice flush of color. It looks healthy. I'm super impressed with the bronzer because sometimes bronzers and palettes can either be like orangey or like they just don't work, like it's not a one for all kind of thing. But this one actually worked on me and I was happy about that. And the blushes are so pretty. Like they're so pretty. Just again, look at them up close. The highlighter is nice. I think it wears really good with my skin. It doesn't, even though it swatches like a little bit, like it has like a little pink shift in it, it does not translate on the face, which I really do appreciate. I love that about this. So yeah, this is a good one. But of course, whenever e.l.f. comes out with like cream palettes, quads, like I haven't come across one that I haven't liked yet. So yeah, very good. If you were on the fence about it, don't be. It's great. Obviously, if you prefer powder blushes, maybe you're not going to be crazy about it, but definitely good, definitely worth looking into. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one.